I'm going to show you how I assembled my garage storage set from Montezuma. It was truly a frustration-free experience.
Each piece is sold separately, so you can mix and match units to build your perfect garage, just like I did. Every unit comes folded up for easy transport. Once home, you will simply unfold, attach with provided hardware, and set up wherever you want. All you will need is a power drill or a screwdriver. I purchased a pegboard back wall and post to attach one base cabinet and one wall cabinet together. This just makes it easier to install them in my garage. I'm going to show you how to use the pegboard and posts to attach a base cabinet and a wall cabinet together. First, make sure you know the difference between the A posts and the B posts. You should have 4 A posts and 2 B posts. Attach 2 A posts to the back of the base cabinet with the screws provided. Slide a B post onto each A post. Place a pegboard on the front, making sure that the grommet hole is on the bottom. Attach everything together using the screws provided. Next, slide the remaining A posts onto the B posts. Place a pegboard on the front with the grommet hole on the top and attach everything together with the screws provided. To attach a wall cabinet to the top, first insert 2 screws into the top holes of the wall cabinet, but do not fully tighten. Hang the wall cabinet on the top holes of the posts, then fully tighten the screws. Then add 2 screws to the bottom holes of the wall cabinet. I was even able to do this all by myself. Because I want these units to look good in my garage, I also attach them together with the screws provided. They are attached at the top of each unit. There are also end covers provided to hide the holes that I am not using. Finally, for safety, the tops of all of the units should be secured to the wall using the tapping screws and washers provided. Be sure to mount to wall studs or another solid surface, not to drywall.
And there you have it. Not frustrating at all. For more information, refer to the owner's manual that came with your new unit.